welcome back to the channel. It is me, Pearl, guys, and today I am a little bit down just because for family issues right now. It's a really hot day in Georgia, and it's like we'll be dead if we go outside. So yeah, and it's the usual. Timber is usually he's playing video games. Me in the kitchen as always. But today I found this Kool-Aid. So all you need is 1 cup of boiling water and 1 cup of cold water.
I want to take you guys fishing. I'm waiting to hear back from Mommy.
Guys, can you guys not talk? I'm in the middle of a YouTube video. Okay, but let's get to this. Oh, phew, I was gonna say rainbow case. I'm like, no. Okay, but it's Jello. Okay, so what you would need is 1 cup of boiling water and 1 cup of cold water. Okay, so we need to put this in a glass bowl. Hey. Okay, so I'm just gonna get out this thing. And let's add some of this, whatever it is.
Yeah, just keep doing what you're doing because we can go to Mammal's.
Sorry, guys.
Some crazy homeless man outside, you know, through the window.
Oh my gosh. Okay, so guys. Okay, I need to add all this because, like, the recipe will not work if I don't add all of it. Guys, no one interrupt me because I cannot go back with this recipe because I already did it.
Stadium?
Okay, now I'm going to add 1 cup of boiling water. Okay. Wait, what?
I'm going to go on the south side of the building.
Then I have to hot and cold water at the same time. Okay, so how much do I need of it though? 1 cup. Okay. 1 cup. I guess I'm just gonna have to go try to find cups and measuring things. Okay. This is a cup of water. So yeah, I'm gonna do hot water first. So I'm gonna microwave it. I'm gonna put it in a microwave safe cup. I'm gonna put this 1 cup of water. Actually, I want to use my water. Okay, this is exactly 1 cup. Measured to the max. Will she make it? And she does. Okay, so I have this water in here, exactly 1 cup. Now, I'm going to microwave it for how long until it boils. So, I'm going to put so it's in the microwave. Sorry, guys, for the background thing. Sorry, guys. But yeah, now I'm gonna put 1 minute in. Okay, go. It's covered. Okay, so yeah, now I'm gonna do 2 minutes. Start. Add. 1 minute. Stop. 1 minute. Okay. Now it's boiling in the microwave. It'll warm up here soon, guys. So, yeah, I guess while I do that, I'll measure out another cup of warm water. Okay, so yeah. Stop! Sorry, guys. There's a naked boy in the background.
I'm gonna get in, so.
Okay, but that should be hot enough. So now, I'm just gonna stop it, maybe? I don't know. Is the water hot? Oh, heck yeah. Is it steaming? Look at that. Okay, it's really hot. So I'm going to add... I need a spoon. Sorry, guys. It's like burning my hands off right now. Oh, my gosh. Okay. So now I'm going to... Watch out. I'm adding the boiling water. It's like steaming the whole cup. Now they want me to add the cold water. So I'm going to add 1 cup of that. Okay, now it's cold. I think I could use a little more. Okay, this is water. It's cold water. Okay, now I'm just going to stir it. The Jello really stinks.
Okay. Can I tell them something?
What?
So today, please take me out. And so today we're gonna go down by the river, and I can make a video of me fishing. Cause I have large, big fishing poles.
His name.
Like I'm literally addicted to fishing. Like literally every day, I ask my dad to go out to fish.
His name on his YouTube channel is Timber Carter, and
My nickname is Timberwolf because I love wolves.
okay, but yeah, I'm just gonna keep on doing this, and then it says to refrigerate for 4 hours until firm. Makes 4.5 cups of servings. Okay, so it should make all the way up to here. There is no way. But I have to keep on stirring this for 2 minutes, so. I don't want it to get crusted to the side. Guess I'm gonna do this till like it dissolves, but like it's not dissolving. It's just like I'm just gonna like add another chisum. Never mind. Just gonna keep on doing this, I guess. And then I have to refrigerate. Oh, that's it. I thought it would be like freeze, but I guess not. But I'm just gonna keep on stirring this. I'm going to try to skip this in fast motion. Here, let's go. Okay, guys. So, yeah, I'm done. I just spilled a little bit outside of the cup, which could screw up the stirring thing. So yeah, I was going really slow when I was doing it too.
Ah, dude, I was almost there.
So yeah, I think this like I'm just gonna keep on stirring it. Okay, yeah, that's all, guys. I think we're done. So, yeah, here is the final consistency. Here's your dough. I'm joking. But now you need to refrigerate for 4 hours. 4 hours exactly. I have to wait till this dissolves, shouldn't I? I don't really know. Sorry, guys. I'm not in the camera frame right now. But I'm just cleaning up all this big mess that I made. Is there anything on the bottom of this? Oh, but it is sticky. Okay. So yeah, I have to wait till this dissolves. It's already forming jello. I should probably put this in the refrigerator right now. Okay guys, so I'm just gonna be putting this in the refrigerator. Right here. Yep, okay, it's in the refrigerator right there. So yeah, okay. Well, oh shit.